Hello chess friends, as you know Stockfish team just released Stockfish 15.1, who comes with 4023 ELO ratings. Today I will show you a tutorial game about how you can download and use latest Stockfish 15.1 in your mobile phone. This video is not about chess videos of Stockfish or AlphaZero, it's a tutorial video. First I will show you how you can download Stockfish, then where it needs to install, then how to play with Stockfish, then I will play a game with Stockfish, then I will about some main features of Stockfish engine and Stockfish application. First, go to the Google Father, and search Analysis this Pro mod app. You can see here, there is many websites of mod app, you can download any of these app. Let me click the second one. Okay, you need to download this one. Just click on the download button with no issue. And this is harmful app, don't download the main app. It's not the analysis app which I talked about. You need to download this app, I have already downloaded it, so, let me cancel it. This is your Analysis this Pro mod application. Then go to the Play Store. Search Stockfish 15.1 Chess Engine. Where is the UCI application? Oh, click the second one. Download this app, I already downloaded it. I opened the app. This is a UCI engine of Stockfish 15.1 version, now you need to install this to your chess analyzing application. Okay, here we go, this is your chess analysis app. An important thing, make sure you didn't download any harmful application. Go to the Chrome, then Downloads, it is your recent downloads, first you can see here. It was the fraud app downloaded mistakenly from mod website. See here, no app logo, be aware of this, cancel it and delete the app instantly. The second one is genuine app. Let A delete the fraud app. Back to the home page, open your Chess Pro app. You will see another chess logo and design, you can click here, and change the logo and colors. Many themes here. Now click on the 6 buttons, then Manage Engines. Here you can see Stockfish 15.1 engine is already installed. Tap on it, now let me play with Stockfish, see my brilliant game. Play this side, Stockfish is playing with black. And you can see here, game is almost equal. Now let me talk about some features of this chess app. Select the 6 buttons, you can share your PGN with your friends, copy and paste. Here you can manage your chess engines. And the biggest feature, position setup. and I defeated Stockfish, 4K LO. Click on the three buttons, go to the engine options, threads, I selected the 8 core, and hash 4 GB. The more threads and memory you select, the more strong Stockfish will. You can select engine thinking time. If you select one, then the engines will play faster. Let's see a game of Stockfish 15.1 versus itself. And another cool feature of this app, I uploaded Stockfish and Dragon recent game. This could be our today's game. If I had not uploaded the tutorial video today, I would have uploaded the video of this game today on my YouTube channel. So, you haven't subscribed our channel yet, you can subscribe. Here have auto analysis. You can also select other engines. Now Stockfish engine is analyzing his own game. Two minutes later, you can see the analysis report of his. Stockfish says 98 was inaccuracy, best was to play knight takes g4. You can see helpful comments of Stockfish. If you want more tutorial videos like, how I animated Stockfish face, or how to develop chess engine like Stockfish, then you can comment me. Okay, wish you all the best, thanks for watching, subscribe for more, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video.